Pranams. You have anything you'd like to share with us today before the questions?
Not too much.
No, nada que compartir
I guess with regard to
en relación a
writing, I've completed my
mi
articles, 3
escritura. He completado
articles
algunos
for a
artículos
book that we're putting together, myself and
para un
Sundar
libro
Gopal
que estamos escribiendo
and Vrindaranya about
con
Jiva Tattva.
Brindaranya acerca de Jiva
He
Tattva.
is completing his articles, 4 articles, at the end of July. So we're making
Y
good
bueno,
progress on that book. Should
los
be very,
artículos
very
se van a
interesting.
terminar a fines de julio, así que está bastante interesante este libro.
And some others are speaking to some other devotees also
También he
who are
estado
interested
hablando
in
con otros
participating.
devotos
So
que están participando.
I've been busy with that, but
He estado ocupado con eso,
now
pero ahora
at the end of this month, it was
a
June
fines de
yet,
este
close to
mes,
June 1st,
ya
maybe.
estamos en junio,
Yeah,
sí,
Yeah,
el
first of
primero,
I'll be
sí.
going to Poland, as you know.
A
So
fines de este mes voy a ir a Polonia,
I
como saben.
understand that
Comprendo
I
que
am invited
estoy
to a
invitado
Rath Yatra festival that ISKCON
al
is putting
Festival de
on
Ratha
in the
Yatra
city where
que
it
está
will
organizando
arrive.
ISKCON en la
It'll
ciudad,
be hosted by
que va a ser
Krishna
organizado
Karman
por...
and family, and
Perdón, no escuché.
it should be interesting. So
Y va a ser muy interesante,
maybe
así
I'm
que
thinking maybe I'll lecture on Rath Yatra
estoy pensando dar clases
during
acerca
the
del Ratha
festival there. It
Yatra
should be
durante el
interesting. We used to have
festival en
very nice
Polonia.
seminars, really, and festivals centered around Rath Yatra here every summer here at Audarya for years.
Acá en
With
cada
many
verano en
devotees
Audaria
attending, many as 100 devotees attending
hacíamos
at a
ese
time.
festival de Ratha Yatra y muchos
And
devotos venían
so
en
I
ese
was thinking
tiempo.
back to those times,
Estaba pensando en esos
and I haven't
tiempos.
visited Chaitanya Charitamrita in a while, and over the years
Y a lo
I
largo del
have
tiempo, cuando he
read from and
podido
lectured on Chaitanya Charitamrita
leer y dar
to
clases acerca del Chaitanya
the delight of
Charitamrita,
many devotees who have commented that they
hay muchos devotos
weren't
que han comentado
used to
que,
hearing the Chaitanya Charitamrita in a class, discussion and so forth. And I think that in
que les
ISKCON
gusta ese tipo de
that was very much
clases,
absent. There was a typical Bhagavatam class and a
ya
Gita
que lo más
class. And
típico era la clase del
Chaitanya
Bhagavatam y del
Charitamrita
Gita.
was
El
left
Chaitanya
for
Charitamrita
devotees to read as opposed to
era como para que
themselves
los devotos
largely.
pudiesen leerlo
So
por sí mismos.
I was
Entonces,
just thinking of all
he
that.
estado pensando en eso.
So I think I'll go in that direction with regard to the festival for those of you that are attending, those of you who are not. Now
Entonces,
you know
para
about
quienes
it.
puedan ir y
It's
bueno, para quienes
begins
no,
in July, goes for
esto
I don't
empieza
know,
en
5, 6,
julio.
7, 8 days, something like that.
Son como 10,
So with that,
varios
let's go
días.
ahead and take the questions.
Bueno, vamos a
Very
tomar las
exciting.
preguntas.
So
Muy
the first
emocionante.
question
La
today
primera
is
pregunta
from
hoy
Raj Sundari.
es de Braya Sundari.
And she wrote this question.
Escribió esta
In
pregunta
last week's
la semana
reading from
pasada.
Circle of Friends,
En
we
el club
read
de lectura de
about
School of
Krishna and
Friends leímos acerca de
Balaram
Krishna y
switching
Balaram
to their
cambiando
expansions of Vasudeva and Sankarshan
a sus
while
expansiones de
leaving
Vasudeva y
Vrindavan.
Sankarshan cuando dejan
How about their
Vrindavan.
Gopa
¿Qué
friends
pasa
that
con sus
accompanied
amigos
them to
Gopas que los
Mathura?
acompañan
Did
a
they go in
Mathura?
their original
¿Ellos
forms,
van
or
también
did
en
they
sus formas
also have
originales o ellos
expansions?
también tienen
Thank you.
expansiones?
It is thought that they have expansions.
Se piensa que
for
tienen
Mathura.
expansiones en Mathura, sí.
So however Krishna appears, then
Donde sea que aparezca Krishna,
in Mathura, for example, or in Dwarka,
en Mathura, por
then
ejemplo,
the
o en Dwarka,
devotees who surround him
los devotos
have
que le rodean
corresponding
corresponden
bhava.
en Bhava.
So,
Entonces,
for example,
por
if
ejemplo,
you take the
si es que
Dwarka Lila
tomas el Dwarka
of
Lila
Krishna,
de Krishna,
there Radharani
ahí
is thought to be present in the form of
Radharani se piensa que
Satyabhama,
está
and
presente como
Chandralaya is there
Satyabhama.
in the form of Rukmini. Of course, those are
Y bueno, esas son
real personality
personalidades
shifts and
reales y a las cuales se cambia
appearances and so forth.
y son como
Whereas in the case of
apariciones.
the Gopas, we don't
Es similar.
find that.
Bueno, en el
But,
caso de los Gopas no encontramos eso.
I'm thinking perhaps
Pero pienso tal vez
that
que
we find some
podemos encontrar algo,
reference
alguna
for this
referencia para
in
esto
the Sanat Kumar Samhita,
en
which is
el
actually
Sanat
a section,
Kumar
as I
Samhita.
understand, as I recall, of the Shiva Purana.
Y también, si bien recuerdo, en el Shiva Purana.
And the Goswamis have drawn upon it
Los Goswamis
considerably,
se han basado en esto considerablemente.
and for that matter, Sanatana Goswami
Y en
is thought
relación a
to
este
be
Sanatan
partial
Goswami,
incarnation of Sanat Kumar,
se dice que es la
of the four
encarnación de Sanatan
Kumars.
Kumar.
So it is an important text there. The whole idea of the
Entonces, toda esta
handmaiden,
idea
service of the handmaiden of Radha is detailed.
de ser sirviente de Radha se describe toda esa idea. Ese tipo de baba,
services and so forth.
sus servicios y todo
I
eso.
believe it's there also. There's a description of how when Krishna goes
Y hay
to Mathura
descripciones
and
de cómo
Dwarka,
Krishna va a Mathura y Dwarka.
of course, he has his own associates.
Y por supuesto tiene sus propios asociados. Por supuesto
Other examples,
que
like I
hay
gave
otros
of Rukmini
ejemplos,
and Chandravali. If you want to
como
secularize for a
Chandravali.
moment, so it's thought that Sridham, who in wrestling matches with Krishna's,
Y
going to
Sridham,
defeat him,
que en sus luchas
and
con
as a
Krishna
result,
lo
Krishna
vence, como
sometimes
resultado,
has to carry him on his shoulders.
Krishna muchas veces tiene que llevarlo en
And
sus
so
hombros.
in the Dwarka Lila,
Y en el Dwarka
Sridham
Lila,
appears
Sridham
as
aparece
Garuda,
como Garuda.
and Krishna's riding on his
Y
shoulders.
Krishna
Now,
va
again,
montando en sus hombros.
like Radha turning into or manifesting
O como Radha manifestándose
Satyabhama,
como
Chandravali as
Satyabhama
Rukmini,
y
is a
Chandravali como
little
Rukmini.
personality change, if you will,
Son cambios de
form and so forth.
personalidad,
But
de
your question
forma.
is, well, what about
Pero ¿qué pasa con
Sridham himself,
Sridham
who
mismo,
accompanied Krishna
que acompañó a
along with other
Krishna
friends
junto con
to
otros
Mathura?
amigos a Mathura?
And as I say,
Y como he dicho,
forgive me, but my memory is not that fresh, but I
perdonen
believe
que
there in
mi
the
memoria no está
Sanat
tan bien,
Samhita, it's mentioned that
se menciona que
just as Krishna
tal como
stays as
Krishna
Krishna,
se mantiene como
but manifests
Krishna,
himself in
pero se manifiesta
Mathura
a sí
and
mismo en
Dwarka,
Mathura y en Dwarka.
expression, if you will, to correspond with the bhavas there, as does Balaram.
Con
We refer
expresiones
to
que corresponden a
Balaram in
su
this
baba,
regard
igual que
as
Balaram,
Mool Sankarshan, and as you mentioned, Prajsundari,
como
Krishna's Vasudev Krishna,
Sankarshana, Balaram, y
tying
como
him
mencionaste
to
también Krishna como
his
Vasudeva,
father in Mathura, Vasudeva, and mother Devaki.
sus
I
padres
think
son Vasudeva
again,
y
the
Devaki.
Samhita explains that similarly
Y se
expansions
explica que
of
son
these devotees
expansiones
from Braj who
de los
go with
devotos de
him.
Braj que van con él.
Maybe the example there
Tal
is
vez el
given of
ejemplo ahí
Kurukshetra,
que se da en
because in
Kurukshetra,
Kurukshetra the
ya que en
Brajbasis also
Kurukshetra
came
también
during what is during the chapter of the Bhagavatam that
durante el
is
capítulo del
played out,
Bhagavatam que
if
se
you will, in
se
Chaitanya Lila and
expresa en el
Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Charitamrita
Lila y el
as
Chaitanya
Ratha Yatra.
Charitamrita como el Ratha Yatra.
The meeting of the inhabitants of Vrindavan
El
with
encuentro
Krishna
entre los habitantes de
at
Vrindavan con
Kurukshetra.
Krishna en
Krishna left
Kurukshetra.
Dwarka to go to Kurukshetra for the solar
Para ir de
eclipse,
Dwarka a Kurukshetra,
and riding on an elephants he and Balaram arrived, the princes and so forth.
y ahí llegan
And
montando
invitations were sent out
elefantes,
everywhere, so these country people, village
y
people,
toda esta gente del
cowherd
campo
people
ven
of
esto, estos
Braj
vaqueros,
also
la
came.
gente de Braj también
And I
llegaron.
think it's there in the Samhita that it
Y creo que está
describes
ahí
that
en el Samhita,
expansions of
que
themselves
son expansiones de
came,
sí mismos que fueron,
while retaining the same personalities and so forth.
manteniendo sus mismas personalidades y todo.
Expansions of Sridham,
Expansiones
Subal,
de
so forth,
Sridham, Subal,
that fit well with
encajan bien
Krishna and
con
Dwarka, although there
Krishna en
wouldn't be much of a
Dwarka,
change.
aunque no cambiarían
Another way to
demasiado.
look at that might be that they maintained a view of him
Y mantienen una
terms of their
visión
bhav
en términos de
as their
Baba,
gopa friend and so
como
forth,
amigos gopas,
and ignored the way in which others in
e
Mathura
ignoran la forma en que
were
otros en Mathura
responding to him, interacting with
responden
him,
a él
thinking
y a
about him,
cómo
speaking about
interactúan
him,
con
which
él,
would
la
be with
forma de
some
hablarle,
measure of of Aishvarya
que
comparatively. We
tienen
don't
algún
find
tipo de
that
Aishvarya en
in
comparación
their
con él, que no se encuentra en
person,
ellos,
the
en
Gopas
persona,
in Mathura,
en los Gopas en
any
Mathura.
measure of Aishvarya
Ninguna
towards
medida
Krishna.
de
But
Aishvarya
still,
hacia Krishna.
they could be, I suppose they could be looked at in either way as
Creo que se puede
expansions
ver de
or as
cualquier forma
retaining
como
their
expansiones
original bhava that their personas, constituted of, and
o
continuing to see
como,
Krishna in
o como
the
las personas
particular
constituidas de bhava
light
que
of
son,
Vrindavan light, despite the fact that he's in Mathura, and that he's expanded himself, or as you say, as the texts say, as Vasudeva and Mul Sankarshan, to interact with the Mathura
y bueno,
devotees there.
ellos
That's an interesting
son
question that you
esta luz que
pose,
se
and
expande en estas formas de
that's
Vasudeva y
the
Sankarshan, como dijiste,
I would have probably
pero yo
gravitated towards the latter
me
perspective that I
inclinaría
mentioned
cerca de
here,
esta
but I believe that the
última
former
perspectiva de
is
que,
has some scriptural support for it. That
pero
being
bueno,
that those are
la primera que les
expansions.
mencionaba, siendo yo
Well,
expansiones, tiene también referencias escriturales.
What happened to the original boys in Vrindavan then?
¿Qué pasa con los chicos originales en Brindavan
all those things are
entonces?
not
Todas esas cosas
described in any
no se
detail
describen en detalle.
I'm aware of.
Estoy al tanto de
They
eso.
seemed to go with him, but as he changed, or they did go with him, but as he changed at Aquarigat, after bathing there, they also transformed. So they were apparently absent to everybody in Vrindavan, but they
Entonces,
assumed forms that were or dispositions
asumen
appropriate for
formas o
the lila.
disposiciones por
let's
el
say.
lila. Incluso
Hope
si
that
parece
helps.
que
What
han
else?
desaparecido.
So there's a follow-up
¿Qué
to
más?
this
Bueno, hay una
from
pregunta de
Kanuram,
seguimiento
and
de
he was
Kanuram.
asking, is Sridham's transition to
Pregunta
Garuda a
si la
change in
transición
tattva?
de Sridham
In
cambiando
tattva,
a
you mean
Garuda
in Baba?
cambia en tatua.
The question would be: Is
La
Garuda
pregunta
in
sería
Sakyarasa?
si Garuda está en Sakyarasa.
I think would be the way to phrase that question.
Creo que así
I've
podríamos
never
plantear
seen
esa
any description
pregunta.
of Garuda
He visto
in this
descripciones de
regard.
Garuda en relación a esto.
One would maybe tend to think of him more as in Dasya, but
Y uno podría
I've never
pensar
seen
que él está en
anyone.
Dacia, pero
Rupa Goswami has mentioned different persons in Bhakti
Rupa
Rasamrita
Goswami ha
Sindhu, identified their
mencionado
bhava and so
diferentes
forth.
cosas en
Nard,
Bhakti
for
Rasamrita
example, in
Sindhu.
Sakya Bhava,
Por ejemplo, Narada
Uddhava
en
in
Sakya
Dasya
Bhava,
Bhava mixed
Uddhava
with
en Dasya
Sakya,
Bhava,
and so on and so forth.
y así
I've never
otros.
seen anything written about Garuda per se, but
No he visto a nadie escribir acerca de Garuda
it's reasonable to believe that
en
he
sí
still has a
mismo,
friendly relationship. We do find friends
pero
of
encontramos
Krishna
amigos de Krishna
in Dwarka, for example.
en Dwarka, por
Madhavangal
ejemplo.
Is there in Alita Madhava or Vidagda Madhava, one of the two dramas of Rupa Goswami.
Que se encuentra ahí en uno de los dramas de Rupa Goswami.
Again, going back to Chandravali and
Y bueno, volviendo a
Radharani,
Chandravali
their bhavas
y Radharani ahí, sus
remain
bhavas
similar, but
son similares, pero
are altered nonetheless. Given that the object of love there, Krishna in Dwarkas,
su amor, su objeto de amor sería
slightly
Krishna en
different than in
Dwarka,
Vrindavan.
que es algo diferente al Krishna de Brindavan.
But these are wonderful mysteries.
Estos son
to be
misterios
explored
maravillosos para ser
yourself
explorados.
personally by going there.
Tú mismo en persona, yendo hacia allá.
They're all Tatastha Jivas,
Son todos
other than Radha
Tatastha
and Gopis. Nityasiddha Tatastha Jivas.
Nityasiddha Tatastha
And
Jivas.
it appears that they have some capacity to appear in different
Pareciera
leelas,
que hay capacidad para aparecer en
and
diferentes lilas
in slightly different moods. Let's
y en
say
diferentes humores.
it's possible.
Eso es posible.
We have, for us, as members of the Chaitanya Sampradaya,
Para nosotros, como miembros de la
idea
Chaitanya
of
Sampradaya, la idea de
positions in liberated life. One as a friend of Krishna, or
tener
maid
distintas
servant
posiciones en la vida
of
como
Radha
amigo
and
de
Braj, and the
Krishna,
other as a dasya,
y otra como
a servant
Dasya,
in
como un
Gaura Lila. That
sirviente,
latter identity and difference in bhava
con diferencias
is
en Bhava,
very much exemplified
es
in
algo que
the
ejemplifica
narrative of Krishna's
la
Kaviraj,
narrativa
Chaitanya
de Krishnadas
Charitamrita,
Kaviraj en
the
el Chaitanya
persons of Rupa and
Charitamrita,
Sanatan. their approaches to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he comes for the first time,
Rupa y Sanatan, su acercamiento a Chaitanya
Ramkeli,
Mahaprabhu,
their humility,
eh,
later when they meet him,
era de muchísima humildad.
I think we're Rupa and perhaps, well, Rupa Goswami at least
Rupa
meets him in
Goswami,
Prayag and so forth. It's very compelling,
cuando se
very
encuentra con él, es
attractive,
algo muy encantador,
and
muy atractivo,
very powerful
muy poderoso.
example,
Un ejemplo muy
compelling
poderoso
example of that
y encantador acerca de
bhava
cómo
that is the destiny of
es
Gaur
el,
Bhaktas
es el
in terms
destino
of Chaitanya Lila that has a
de los
corresponding
bhaktas del Chaitanya
in
Lila,
Krishna Lila, because the
que
Lila
corresponde
Chaitanya
también en
Mahaprabhu
el Krishna
in the
Lila,
uppercut,
porque en el Aprakat Lila,
beyond anybody's vision within this world, what uppercut means, in that section, if you
en
will,
esa
subsection of
sección
Golok,
o
the lotus within
subsección
the
de
lotus,
Goloka,
as depicted on Prabhupada's own
se ha
graphic that he put on
descrito
the front
en la
cover that he
misma
designed of
gráfica
his
de que
Bhagavatam.
diseñó Prabhupada
There
en
you'll
el
see
primer
these
canto del
Vaikuntha
Srimad
planets and
Bhagavatam,
the lotus in the center is Radha and Krishna. If you look
donde hay
slightly
un
behind
loto,
Radha
en
and
el centro
Krishna, you'll
está
find
Radha
Chaitanya
Krishna,
Mahaprabhu performing
y en el
Sankirtan
fondo se ve Chaitanya
that is
Mahaprabhu haciendo
Saitadvip, another name
Sankirtan,
for Navadvip.
es
But
Navadvip.
in that lila,
En ese lila,
then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Chaitanya
in the
Mahaprabhu,
context of
en el
his daily lila,
contexto
will be transported
de su lila,
through
el
the
cual será
kirtan, for example,
transportado en
Lila
el
Kirtan of
Kirtan,
Swarup Damodar,
el lila
into a
Kirta de Swarup
corresponding
Damodar,
Brija Lila, or the Braja
correspondiente
Lila
con
that
el lila del Braya Lila
he's singing about, and the devotees
que
will
está
go with him
cantando. Y los
from
devotos
their
serán
Dasya
llevados
Bhava
allá
to
también,
their Sakya Bhava,
de
Madhurya Bhava,
Dacia a Sakya
as may be
o
the case.
Madhurya, según sea el caso.
So some extended thoughts on that.
Entonces esos son algunos pensamientos
What
acerca
else?
de esto. ¿Qué
The
más?
next question's
La
from
siguiente
Matthew.
pregunta es de Matthew.
Matthew.
Is there Matthew?
Hi there. Hello, Maharaj.
Buenos días, Maharaj.
My question is
Mi
about
pregunta es acerca
is
de
about the idea that
la
or the
idea
teaching that Vishnu, Brahma, and
de la
Shiva
enseñanza de que
are
Vishnu, Brahma y Shiva
correspond to the three gunas,
corresponden con las tres
which
gunas,
I've always struggled to make sense of a little bit.
lo cual siempre me ha costado
I
entender
think
un poco.
my question
Mi
is,
pregunta es,
or one of my questions is,
una de mis preguntas es si
if we understand like tamas as
entendemos
darkness,
tamas como
inertia,
oscuridad
restraint, obscuration, destruction,
y
it's
Shiva
hard to
es la
understand how Shiva
destrucción, es difícil entender cómo Shiva
straightforwardly corresponds to all of those
corresponde
qualities.
con
How we can
alguna
think
de
of
esas
Shiva, the greatest
cualidades.
devotee of Vishnu, as corresponding to
Si
to
Shiva
those
como el
qualities,
devoto más
and similar
grande
kind
de
of problems with
Vishnu
Brahma and
corresponde con
Rajas.
eso. Entonces, lo mismo me pasa
And
con
I
Brahma y
wonder
Rayas.
if we should
Entonces, me
understand.
preguntaba si
It seems
debemos
more
entender,
straightforward to me that
pareciera más
that
tener
they
más sentido
are
para mí que
as expansions of
como
Krishna, that
expansiones de Krishna,
Brahma and Shiva are both
Brahma y
fundamentally
Shiva
sattvic in some way,
son
and
ambos
so
sádvicos de cierta
the
forma.
way that they relate
Y la
to those
forma
two
en que se
gunas is
relacionan
somehow
esas trigunas es
fundamentally
de alguna
sattvic.
forma
So,
fundamentalmente sádvica. Entonces,
I'll sort of leave it there. Maybe
sí,
that's
voy
enough
a
to
dejarlo
kind of
hasta
express
ahí.
my
Creo
confusion. I'm just trying to
que he expresado mi
understand
confusión tratando de
how to
entender
understand
cómo entender
that teaching.
esa enseñanza.
Well, these are empowered positions,
Esas son posiciones empoderadas
if you will, that jivas can
de
attain,
las
like
que las
Brahma in
jivas pueden
particular.
lograr, Brahma
It's also said the position
particularmente.
of Shiva can be attained by some.
La posición de Shiva también puede
Whereas
lograrse
the
por
position of
algunos.
Vishnu, of course, can't be attained.
La posición de
But
Vishnu, por
the
supuesto que no.
positions
Pero
themselves
esas
are one
posiciones
thing.
en sí mismas,
Let's talk about Brahma for a moment.
vamos a hablar primero de Brahma,
It's more clear. The
que
position
está
of
más
Brahma is
claro.
an
La posición de
empowered
Brahma está empoderada.
capacity,
Es una capacidad
which is a partial manifestation of
que es una
Vishnu's
manifestación
powers,
parcial
right?
de los poderes de Vishnu,
Daivanyatrena, controlling power.
poder controlador.
So it's a position that presides over
Entonces,
Rajaguna.
esa
And
cualidad
one can take that,
rige
one can
sobre
attain that
Rayaguna.
position.
Y para lograr esa
to,
posición,
as the presiding deity
como una deidad
of
regente
Rajaguna.
de la
At the
Rayaguna.
same time, of
Al
course,
mismo tiempo, por supuesto,
and one can attain the position of
uno puede
Brahma
lograr la
by
posición de Brahma
perfectly executing the
al ejecutar
Varnashram Dharma for
perfectamente
100
el Varnashram
lifetimes,
Dharma por muchas
or you can
vidas.
attain it through
O
Gyan.
puedes lograrlo a través de Gyan.
It's possible.
Es
Or even through
posible.
Bhakti.
O
Example of
incluso a través de
Gopakumar
Bhakti, como el ejemplo
Sanatana
de
Goswami's
Gopakumar
Great Bhagavatamrita.
en el Brihad
Finds
Bhagavatamrita.
Gopakumar, who's a devotee, becomes
Gopakumar era un
Brahma
devoto
for a
que se
while.
vuelve Brahma por un momento.
So it means it attains the post, right?
Entonces toma ese
At
cargo.
the same time, the post does,
De la misma forma que este cargo
in terms of its function,
tiene una función
it's obviously
que es obviamente
involved with
relacionada con
Sattva-guna, for
la
example,
Sattva-guna, por ejemplo.
secondary creation,
Es
management, organization, bringing things
es la
forth,
organización, hacer las
material
cosas,
development.
un desarrollo
That's
material.
that's Rajaguna.
Esa es la Rayaguna.
In the Karma Marg, we seek
En el Karma
material
Marg
progress, material
buscamos
development, as
progreso
much as it might
material,
be from the Gyan point of view, an
que desde el punto
oxymoron.
de vista del Gyan puede ser una contradicción.
So it's one thing about who's a
Entonces,
Brahma, another thing
una
what is the
cosa
post of Brahma.
es volverse Brahma y el
Someone
otro
could be in
tomar el cargo de Brahma.
I mean, sure, anyone who attains Brahma's position is an elevated
Cualquiera que tome
person.
el cargo de Brahma
Um,
es una persona elegible.
and for some time, and maybe in a long time, holds that position, which is
Y alguien que se queda
predominating
ahí
deity
en mucho
over
tiempo
the
como
guna.
una deidad, esta es la
Shiva's
deidad
known
de
for
esa
his
guna.
dance at
Shiva se
the
conoce
time
por
of
su
destruction,
danza, de la que causa la destrucción.
and his associates are
Y sus
largely
asociados son ampliamente
tamasic.
tamásicos.
Many of them.
Muchos de ellos.
Also, it's
También
he dresses in ashes and
se viste con cenizas.
But it's a different position
Y
than
bueno, es una
Brahma's, but
posición
it's a
diferente que la
transformation
anterior, es una
of
transformación
Vishnu.
de Vishnu.
Certainly, we don't think that
Ciertamente,
Shiva's in the Tamaguna, which is
no,
kind of your question.
no
He's
diríamos que
not in
Shiva
the
está en
Tamaguna,
Tamaguna, que es más
but
o menos tu pregunta. Él no está en Tamaguna.
he presides. It's a position of
Es
presiding
una
over that
posición
guna.
que rige
Similarly,
sobre
Vishnu is not in
esto.
Sattva-guna.
Vishnu no está en
He
Sattva-guna.
presides over it.
Él preside
Now,
sobre
who
ella.
attains the position of Brahma?
Y quien logra la
Again,
posición de
that's
Brahma,
another thing.
bueno, esa es
What
otra
exactly
cosa.
is his position? But it's an elevated
¿Cuál es exactamente
position,
esa
to be
posición?
sure.
Pero es muy elevada, de seguro.
And sattvic,
Y sáttvico.
that's another point. I mean, let's
Ese es
take, for
otro
example,
punto.
Varnashram.
Toma, por ejemplo, el
In the
Varnashram.
classical Varnashram system,
En
there's
el sistema clásico del
Sudras,
Varnashram hay Sudras, Vaishyas,
Kshatriyas, and Brahmanas.
Kshatriyas
Right?
y Brahmanas, ¿cierto?
And the Brahminical status is presided over by Sattva.
Y el
The
estado de
Kshatriya status is predominated or presided over
la
by
guna de los
Rajas,
brahmanas sería
material
que es
improvement.
sádvica, de los Kshatriyas y
Vaishya
Rayas.
His position
los
is presided over
Vaishyas
by a mix
es
of
una mezcla
Rajas and Tamas.
de Rayas y Tamas.
The Sudra is presided over by
Y la posición de los
tamasic
Sudras está,
kind of disposition.
tiene una
But
disposición de
if
Tamas.
anybody
Pero si es que
in
alguien
the Sudra,
en
Vaishya, or
en una
Kshatriya
de estas
position
posiciones
conducts themselves
se conduce a sí
according
mismo
to
acorde
the scriptural
a
mandates
los
for that
mandatos
position,
escriturales para cada
they come
uno de
into
ellos,
sattva.
se
They come
vuelven
into
sáttvicos,
balance.
se vuelven en
Given their
balance,
psychology
ya que su
and
psicología
corresponding physiology,
y su
when they conduct
fisiología
themselves in terms of that,
y la forma en que se conducen
in conjunction with the scriptural
estaría en
injunctions,
conjunción
then
con estos mandatos
their material
escriturales
situation
y ahora
comes into
tienen
balance,
una
and they're in
situación
a position
material que entra en
to see things
balance
clearly, if you will, with regard to spiritual prospect of life.
y de esa forma cumplen este prospecto
There you
espiritual de
find
vida.
sattva, within these different positions at the
Entonces
same
hay
time.
sattva
So I hope that
dentro de cada
helps.
una de estas distintas posiciones al mismo tiempo.
Yeah, I think it does help. I think it's
Sí,
I think this was I was inspired to think about this recently
sí,
because I think it's
me inspiré a
Vishwanatha
pensar en esto hace poco.
Chakravarti Thakur.
Creo que
Sorry,
fue
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. I
Vishwanath
think it's in
Chakravarti
his
Thakur,
commentary on the Srimad
que en su
Bhagavatam. He
comentario del
says
Srimad
something about
Bhagavatam dice algo acerca
Vishnu
de Vishnu,
not being in sattva, sort of being in
que no está
proximity
en
to
sattva,
sattva,
sino que está
not actually being
próximo
in contact with or
ahí, no,
immersed
no
in,
está en contacto con la
but Brahma and
comunidad.
Shiva,
Pero Brahma y
in
Shiva,
contrast,
en
are
contraste,
sort of in some way
de cierta
contaminated
forma,
by
sí
or
están,
immersed
por así
in
decirlo,
rajas
contaminados
and
o
tamas, and that's kind of
inmersos
what got
en
me
rayas
thinking
y
about
tamas.
this.
Y eso es lo que
Where I
me
was
hizo
thinking,
pensar en
you know,
esto. ¿Cómo?
how exactly does this
¿Cómo
make sense? You know, how should
exactamente
this be
tiene
thought
sentido
of?
esto?
So thank you. That helps. I'm
Pero
gonna
sí,
have to
eso
process
ayuda.
that a little
Tengo que
bit more.
procesarlo.
Yeah, I think that
Sí,
statements like
creo
that
que
are largely
declaraciones
meant
como
to
estas
distinguish
se deben
who
distinguir
might take the post of Brahma
de
or
quien
Shiva,
toma, por
or who
ejemplo, el
might,
cargo de Shiva o Brahma.
Jiva, Shiva. Shiva also means like auspicious, it means liberated. So
Shiva también
some of us said
significa
one can take the
auspicioso,
post of Shiva.
liberado. Alguien puede tomar esa
But
posición. Pero
the statements like that are made to
declaraciones como esas
distinguish
se hacen para
Vishnu from
distinguir
everybody
a
else.
Vishnu de todos los demás.
He's clearly
Él es claramente
transcendent.
trascendental.
The other two positions
Las otras
are
dos
involved with
posiciones
the world
están involucradas con el
in
mundo,
bringing it together
en
and taking it
unirlo
apart.
y en desarmarlo.
He's
Él
not involved with
no
it. He's
está
only
involucrado
involved in
con
bringing
eso.
people out of it.
Él solo se encarga de sacar a la
Of
gente
course,
de ahí.
Sattva is maintenance mode, but if you will,
La
compared to
Sattva-guna es como un
creation and
modo de
destruction,
mantención,
and he
pero
is the
la creación y la
maintainer
destrucción
of
es...
everything.
Pero
But he's
Vishnu es
maintained in
quien
from a
mantiene
detached
todo.
position. So statements like that, I think, are meant to
Entonces
distinguish
declaraciones como esa son para
appropriately so
distinguirle.
even Shiva and Brahma from Vishnu, even
Incluso
when there are other statements
cuando hay otras
that
declaraciones
equate Shiva with
que
Vishnu. In fact, it's said about
equiparan a
Harinam
Vishnu con
and
Shiva.
offenses to the holy name that one should not
Pero
think
se dice
there's a difference
también
between the
que
name of Krishna and
ahí
Shiva.
es una ofensa pensar que Shiva
So
puede ser igual al nombre de
that is
Krishna.
and also it's said sometimes Krishna
Y
takes the
también algunas
position of
veces se dice
Brahma
que Krishna toma la posición de Brahma
when no one is qualified.
cuando nadie está cualificado.
So you can't just look at the one statement there. You have
Entonces
to,
tienes que verlo de muchas
look at it
formas.
from a number of statements to
Hay muchísimas
appreciate the point.
declaraciones para
But
hacer
again,
este
I think
punto.
that
Pero sí creo que
positions of
las posiciones de
Tamas and Rajas are
tamas y
more
rayas
involved
están más
with the world, bringing
involucradas
about, ending it.
con el mundo
You
al
know,
crearlo y
that's another way to
destruirlo.
look at that. Of course, it's a little bit
Es una
different
forma de
than,
verlo un poco
karma and
diferente,
Gyan. Shiva
como el
represents Gyan.
karma y el
That's
gyan.
another thing, right? It's just destroying the world in another way, right? But Vishnu is only involved with bhakti, which is
Vishnu solo
transcendent.
se relaciona con bhakti
So he presides over the whole thing's happening because of him.
y todo
And
sucede
that's the
debido a él.
difference.
Esa es la diferencia.
All right, what else?
So the next question is
La
from
siguiente
Anonymous.
pregunta es anónima.
And
I know him. I mean her.
La
they're
conozco.
asking, I am considering
Pregunta,
taking
estoy considerando
initiation
tomar
from your
iniciación
spiritual brother, Satchinandan Swami.
de su hermano espiritual
Could you
Satchinandan
please
Swami.
share some impressions
¿Podría por
of your
favor compartir
relationship
algunas
with him,
impresiones de
either
su relación
past or
con él
present, that
en el
might
pasado o
help
en el
me to get to
presente que
know this
pudiese
Vaishnava
ayudarme a
from your
conocer
perspective?
a este
Thank you very
Vaishnava desde
much.
su perspectiva? Muchas gracias.
Well,
Bueno,
I don't know him very well.
no lo conozco tan bien.
I met him first in
Lo conocí
1995.
primero en
He
el
served
año
in Germany. I
85
believe he's German or
en
Austrian.
Alemania, o creo
And
que estaba
I
sirviendo
met
en
him in
Austria,
1995 in
y
Vrindavan.
lo conocí el 85 en Brindavan,
In conjunction with well, in relation to the fact that
y
he
en relación con el hecho de
and a number
que
of
él,
other devotees,
junto con
leading
otros
devotees of
devotos,
ISKCON,
de
That time
ISKCON,
I had been outside of ISKCON for 10
que
years
habían estado fuera de ISKCON por algunos
by
años
ISKCON's own mandate because I had
por
accepted
el
Sridhar Maharaj as
mandato
my
propio
Siksha Guru.
de ISKCON.
I met him in relation to his and
Lo
a
conocí en
number of other
relación
leading ISKCON devotees who were
con otros devotos de ISKCON
taking Siksha from
que
Bhaktivedanta
tomaron
Narayan Maharaj.
Shiksha
Before
de
Narayan Maharaj
Bhaktivedanta
started his
Narayan
tours
Maharaj.
and so forth. And they approached me,
Y
that
ellos se
group,
acercaron a
and among
mí
them Sachinandan Swami was
y Sachinandan Swami
also a member, as I say.
era un miembro
And they felt
de ese
strongly
grupo. Y
that
sentí fuertemente
they had
que
come to the conclusion that ISKCON was wrong for
llegaron a la
having
conclusión de que ISKCON estaba equivocado
made a policy
en hacer esa
that
política de
forced persons like
forzar a las
myself
personas como
who
yo
had accepted Sridhar Maharaj as my Siksha
al
Guru to be
aceptar
outside of
a Sridhar
ISKCON.
Maharaj como mi Shiksha Guru debía
And
salir de ISKCON.
they had come to this understanding through the Siksha of
Y llegué a este
Narayan Maharaj without
entendimiento
directly addressing it, but just I think
por el
his
Shiksha de Narayan
talks with them
Maharaj.
on Guru Tattva and so forth.
No directamente,
And
pero sí por el
so
entendimiento de
they
Guru
wanted
Tattva y todo eso.
to
Y ellos
me
querían
to
que
come to
yo
Mayapur in the next
fuera a
meeting and assist
Mayapur
them
para una de sus
in
reuniones.
making a case for this. That's another chapter, but I met him
Y
in the
bueno,
context of
eso es
that.
otro tema, pero en ese
And
contexto,
at that time, I was doing some doing some preaching in,
estaba haciendo prédica
I think it was Slovenia.
en Eslovenia, creo.
I think it was Slovenia.
Sí, creo que era Eslovenia.
And
Y
I had some students there,
tengo algunos
and
estudiantes
ISKCON had a
ahí.
temple there.
ISKCON tenía un
And
templo
he
ahí.
was
Y él era
part of a zone
parte
in
de una
ISKCON
zona en
where a devotee
ISKCON
named Harikesh was the GBC and the leader.
donde Harikesh era el
and the
líder y el del
guru.
GBC.
And so I had my meeting with him was all about
Mi
my
reunión
question:
con
how
él
should I interact with that temple,
era acerca
if
de
at all?
cómo yo voy a interactuar con ese templo.
And he said, as far as I'm concerned, well, you should be welcome there.
Y él
But
dijo,
Harikesh
bueno,
has a
hasta donde
different idea.
debes
And
serás bienvenido ahí, eso
he was a
es
little
diferente allá.
apologetic for the position of Harikesh. But that's the only meeting personally I had with him.
Pero esa es la
Subsequently,
única
though, he
reunión
has
que tuve con
contacted
él.
me
Después él me
over the
contactó
years
a través de los
and
años
asked me different questions,
para preguntarme
like
distintas
you're asking,
cosas,
philosophical questions, I should say. And
cosas
he's an avid reader
filosóficas.
of all of my books,
Y él ha leído todos mis
very
libros,
much loves them and has expressed that to
los
me
ama y lo ha
and
expresado
others repeatedly. So I wish I
repetidamente.
could meet him again. Hope that I
Quisiera
will.
poder
I
encontrarnos de
think that
nuevo.
he's a very educated person
Creo que es alguien muy
compared to
educado
many,
en comparación con
and
otros.
his background
Y su
from birth
trasfondo,
is from a very good family. That's
él
my
viene de una
impression.
buena familia
And he very much is focused on essential
y está
spiritual
enfocado
life.
en una vida
He seems to be
espiritual
very
esencial.
have a taste for kirtan.
Tiene un muy buen gusto por el
Very
kirtan.
active
Es
in
bastante activo
preaching,
en la
apolitical,
prédica.
very non-political, non-sectarian.
No es sectario ni
And
político.
that's hard to find.
Eso es difícil de encontrar
In ISKCON,
en
they can be
ISKCON.
very sectarian
Pueden ser bastante
in some
sectarios
sectors.
en algunos
And
sectores.
so I think he's a very nice
Entonces, bueno, creo que
devotee, and I think that
es
he seems, as far as I know, I mean, I've a
un
little
devoto que
experience, but seems to set a very good example
parece ser un buen
as a
ejemplo
sannyasin.
como Sannyasi.
So I wish I knew more about him and I could share
Quisiera
it, but,
poder saber más de él para
my
compartir
contact with him
eso.
is a little bit limited. But
Pero
thank you
mi
for your question.
conocimiento
Thank
es
you for being here.
limitado. Muchas gracias por preguntar y por estar aquí.
So the next question
La
is
siguiente
also
pregunta
from Anonymous,
también
but
es
I'm not
A
sure.
good choice.
de
A good
Anónimo.
choice, though, I should say, within ISKCON. Good choice.
Buena decisión dentro de ISKCON, debo decir.
Sorry, yes, the
Go
next
ahead.
is also another anonymous question.
Esta también es otra
Okay.
pregunta anónima.
Fair enough.
Pranam.
Pranam.
It seems that service to the guru
Pareciera que el
and
servicio
their
al guru
mission
y
is
su
something
misión
important
es
within
algo
Gaudiya
importante dentro
Vaishnavism.
del Gaudiya
I
Vaishnavismo.
suppose the ideal
Supongo que
would
el
be
ideal
for a
sería
couple of romantically connected
para
sadhakas
una
to serve the
pareja de
same guru.
discípulos
But how is it
relacionados
usually
románticamente
harmonized
tener el
when a
mismo
couple
guru
of
sería lo ideal.
sadhakas connected in this way have different
Pero ¿qué
gurus?
pasa cuando una pareja de devotos
Well,
que
I
se
think
involucran de esta
that
forma tiene gurús diferentes?
it's ideal in one sense
Es ideal en
if
un
the two
sentido
partners
si es que estos dos
have the same
compañeros
guru,
tienen el mismo guru,
in as much as association with like-minded persons
en el sentido de que la
that
asociación con
have
personas de
affection for one
mentalidad
another
similar
is
que tienen
underscored
afecto
by
los
Rupa
unos por los
Goswami in
otros
terms
es
of
algo que se destaca por Rupa
explaining
Goswami al explicar
association
la
that
asociación
is
que es
helpful, fruitful, desirable.
fructífera y deseable.
Swajatiya, snigdasya. Swajatiya means of the same disposition, like-mindedness.
Que tengan una disposición similar, una mente similar, que sean, por ejemplo, de la misma casta, de la misma disposición, por ejemplo, disposiciones similares y afecto.
Now, in one sense,
en
this
un
is speaking about
sentido,
higher association, so guru of the same disposition.
también debemos buscar a personas más cualificadas que nosotros. Puede aplicar también para amigos, compañeros y todo. Pero en relación a...
let's say similar faith in this regard.
Hay que tener una fe similar en relación a esto.
Well, yeah, that's helpful, right? Similar faith. Both have faith in the same guru.
No necesariamente tener fe en el mismo guru.
Of the same guru.
O
Now,
ser discípulos del mismo guru.
Your question is about
Tu
a situation
pregunta es
where
acerca de
that's
una
not occurring,
situación
and the two partners have different gurus. I would imagine in the way you're thinking
yo
about it, the
imaginaría
question
que
is
la forma
thinking
que
about
estás pensando
it refers
es
to Gaudiya Vaishnavism.
en relación
So,
al
in
Gaudiya
Gaudiya Vaishnavism,
Vaishnavismo.
you
Así
have
que en el Gaudiya
in
Vaishnavismo,
this instance that you're asking
en
about
esta
two gurus
instancia
who are
que
Gaudiya
preguntas,
Vaishnavas.
hay dos
So
gurus que son
there
Gaudiya
shouldn't be much
Vaishnavas.
difference
Entonces
between
no
them
debiese haber mucha diferencia
in
entre
terms of,
ellos,
or any difference between them in terms
o
of
ninguna
philosophy or
diferencia en
theology.
relación a la
They,
teología
those
y la
gurus, will have different
filosofía.
dispositions and they have
Tienen
different
diferentes
services that they're doing,
disposiciones y servicios,
and
tal
they may have
vez,
different
y
criterion
puede que tengan
that they
distinto
expect
criterio
their disciples
que
to
pretenden que
serve within
sus
the
discípulos
context of.
sirvan en cierto
This
contexto.
one's going to say you chant this many rounds, the other one's going
Alguno
to
va a
say you
decir
chant
canta
that
este
many
número de
rounds, for example.
rondas o este
So
otro
there can
número
be
de
some
rondas.
differences
Puede haber algunas
therein,
diferencias
but those are all
ahí,
details.
pero son detalles.
And in principle, there
Y el principio
they should
ahí
be one.
debiese ser
And be given the same
conocido,
teaching, the same ideal.
que estén buscando el mismo
Of
ideal,
prem, if you will, which
el
is of
mismo
course
marco,
diverse. That's another thing. But prem as the prayojan
que
is
es
the
prema,
goal.
que es
So there
prayoyan, es
seems
la meta.
there would be wouldn't be much of a problem.
Entonces
If
no
any,
debiese ser un problema, para nada.
if the two gurus are Gaudiya
Si es que los dos
Vaishnavas,
gurus son
and
Gaudiya
if
Vaishnavas,
they are,
y si lo son,
then they would have some appreciation for one
entonces
another,
tendrán
respect for
aprecio
one
el uno
another,
por el otro y se respetarán.
and if they're qualified gurus, then I
Si
think
son
they
gurus
would be
cualificados,
happy to have
entonces
some assistance
estarán
from another
felices de
guru
tener
in terms of
asistencia
helping their own
del
disciple
otro para poder ayudar a sus propios discípulos.
who's married to that other guru, for example. So I don't think it's much of a problem.
No
The
creo que sea un
problem,
problema. El problema,
theoretically, the problem can arise
puede surgir
nonetheless with regard to institutional
en
considerations
relación a
and
consideraciones institucionales
the sectarianism
y sectarismo
that may give rise to. It doesn't
que
have
puede
to.
surgir de ahí. No es necesario que lo haga. El
Sectarianism doesn't have to have a
sectarismo
pejorative context. It can
tiene
have a positive
en un
context.
contexto
There are different
peyorativo y no
sects
positivo. Hay
within
diferentes sectas
Gaudiya Vaishnavism and
dentro del
within
Gaudiya
Vaishnavism,
Vaishnavismo.
and that's not a bad thing.
Eso no es algo malo.
ISKCON is a particular sect within
ISKCON es
Gaudiya
una secta
Vaishnavism, and there are other
particular del Gaudiya
sects within
Vaishnavismo.
Gaudiya Vaishnavism, you could say.
También nosotros
ISKCON
somos
has
otra
its
secta, por así
particulars, like
decirlo.
every morning at 7 o'clock,
ISKCON
there's the greeting of
tiene
the deities and the
su
Govinda prayers,
rutina de que
sung by
hay
Prabhupada's
una ártica
disciples,
a
are
cierta
played
hora,
on a
de lecturas
speaker,
a otras
and
clases.
there's a whole procedure,
Hay todo un
the way that Prabhupada did
procedimiento
things that are
de cómo
followed.
Prabhupada hizo las cosas.
So these are details, but these are
Esos son
details that preserve
detalles,
Prabhupada's character as
pero
it
que eso
manifested
mantuvo
in
el carácter de
ISKCON
Prabhupada,
with
que se
regard to
mantiene en
rituals and
ISKCON
so
en
on and so
relación
forth.
a
It
los
will be,
rituales y
be
todo
different
eso.
in another
Puede
institution,
ser diferente
perhaps.
en otras instituciones, por ejemplo, tal vez.
But those sectarian details are not bad.
Pero
They're
esos
good.
detalles no
They're
son
a certain
malos.
mood, you know. And
Involucran
if I
cierto
go
humor
there,
en
I'll be
particular.
transported into that mood. And of course, I know that mood because I was a member of this.
Por supuesto que yo
So
conozco
I'll
ese
find
humor
it
porque yo
very,
era miembro de eso.
very endearing and so forth. But if I go to another temple, another institution, another
Y
sect
si
within
vamos a
Gaudiya
otro
Vaishnavism, they
templo,
do
a
things
otra
differently.
secta, se
Then
pueden hacer las
I
cosas
find it
de otra
interesting, and
forma.
I
Y
try to
se
understand
puede,
why they're doing
voy a
it.
entender por qué lo hacen
And
así.
so on. So it's that sense of sectarianism,
Y ese
again,
sentido de
is
sectarismo
positive.
es positivo.
But there's an ugly face
Pero
of
hay un
sectarianism
rostro
that
feo
Bhaktivinoda
del
Thakur
sectarismo que,
speaks of, that as
del
which
cual
he
estaba
refers to
hablando,
as the
que
enemy
se
of
refiere
progress.
a que se vuelve un
And
enemigo del
that's
progreso.
when sectarianism becomes.
Y donde esto se
It's
vuelve,
really when religious life becomes
cuando la vida religiosa se
synonymous
vuelve
with bigotry,
sinónimo de
small-mindedness,
una mente pequeña, de fanatismo.
even when the dress and the verbiage and so forth is all spiritual. You find this in
Incluso
the
cuando la
world
ropa y
today.
todo
So you're
eso
going to find
es
it
espiritual.
in Gaudiya Vaishnavism as
Podemos
well,
encontrar
right?
eso
In
en el
all
Gaudiya
religious
Vaishnavismo
traditions.
también, en algunas instituciones.
That becomes a problem. So,
Eso es un problema.
And in that situation, then maybe the guru of a very sectarian institution
el
will
guru
not
de una
honor the
institución
guru
muy
in
sectaria.
another institution. I had the unfortunate experience after all these years, very
Yo he
recently,
tenido
of some students of mine who are not initiated by me, but they
experiencias de estudiantes míos
regularly
que no han sido
read my
iniciados por
books,
mí,
listen to my lectures, some of them all day long and so forth. And
que
I meet with them
van,
every now and then on Zoom. They're over
que escuchan mis clases y todo,
in Australia, New
y
Zealand,
ahora están en
Australia,
Australia.
and they one of them, a younger
Uno de ellos,
man,
un hombre joven,
recently corresponded with me to
me escribió hace
talk to me
poco
personally and
que quería
tell me
hablarme
more about himself
personalmente,
as he so desired, and I
que
wrote him
tenía
back
el
a nice
deseo
letter,
de
and
escribirme
his
personalmente,
parents
que sus
are
padres,
initiated disciples of another institution,
que eran discípulos iniciados de otra
when the other
institución,
institution found out that,
y
or
cuando
when
ellos
they
se
found out that
enteraron
your son was involved with me, and
que su hijo
they became up very upset about that, and it
estaba
caused a
escuchando mis
whole
clases, se enojaron muchísimo
problem. And then
y
some
causó todo
visiting
un
sannyasi
problema.
came to the local temple,
Y
and
un sannyasi fue a
based
su
on this
templo
was asked,
local
how should we relate to gurus from
en relación a cómo
another
debemos
institution? He said they're
relacionarnos con gurus de
wolves in
otras
sheep's clothing.
instituciones.
So this is like if we were to use that, it would be more appropriate to reverse it around. I mean, I'm not telling anybody to join any institution.
Yo no le estoy diciendo a
I'm
nadie
only
que se una
speaking to
ninguna
people about Krishna
institución,
consciousness.
solo le estoy hablando a la
If
gente de
Krishna
conciencia de
consciousness is
Krishna.
about joining an institution, well,
Si
that
la
verse is
conciencia
not
de
found in
Krishna
Bhagavad Gita.
se
So
trata de
if
unirse a alguna
sticking with an
institución, eso no está en
institution,
el Bhagavad Gita.
particular institution is the be-all and end-all of what constitutes the bona fides or not of a disciple. That's what you're preaching. Then you are a wolf
Si
in
tu
sheep's
prédica se
clothing,
trata de decir
in the
que
middle of the herd.
las personas,
So,
¿cómo se dice?
it's very ugly. It's very unfortunate.
Bueno, algo muy desafortunado. Si piensas que alguien es
But it
fidedigno solo por
happens, and
pertenecer
in
a una institución o
instances
no.
like that, well, then obviously you've got a problem. Husband's got one guru, wife's got another.
Si un
and
esposo
there's this
tiene
institutional kind
un
of clash.
guru, una
But
esposa
I
otro,
think
no
that
debiese ser un problema.
Largely, I mean, it should be transcended. It needs to be transcended for
Eso
someone to
debe
be a qualified guru.
trascenderse.
And I would assume that our questioner anonymous is
Y
he or she
yo
is
asumiría que esta
speaking about a
persona
situation like that,
anónima
where
está
the
hablando de una
differences are
situación
not
así, si hay diferencias o no.
mundane.
son mundanos.
But different details.
Son
The
diferentes
details are
detalles.
exactly that. They're details. They're not,
Pero los detalles son eso,
not
detalles.
principles.
No son principios.
And there are different ways to do the
Y hay
same.
diferentes formas de hacer lo mismo.
To practice and
De
to do
practicar
rituals and
los rituales.
And so on and so forth.
Y
So
todo
I think,
eso.
to take
Entonces
back the
pienso
non-sectarian perspective when he
que
would
hay que
say
tomar
things
una
like, if I go into
perspectiva no
another church
sectaria.
or a mosque, I think, oh, they're worshiping my deity like this here.
Cuando visitamos una
good.
mezquita
Interesting.
u otro lugar, de otra
so
iglesia,
forth.
debemos pensar,
Without
aquí
losing
adoran
any of
así
the,
a mi deidad.
sense of the, for example, in that example,
En ese
of
ejemplo
the
de
virtues
las
and
virtudes
the depth
y
of
la
spiritual
profundidad
insight and penetration
de
that's
la
afforded
visión
by Gaudiya
espiritual
Vaishnavism. I can appreciate all
que da
institutions.
el Gaudiya Vaishnavismo.
Anybody, if I ever in an airport, I see a nun or a priest or somebody else
Si
in
alguien,
religious dress, I want to sit down and talk to them.
si
But at the
alguien ve
same time,
un cura, una monja en un aeropuerto, por
just as
ejemplo,
an
que quisiera
aside
acercarse a
here,
hablar con ellos.
that is the lowest common denominator.
Pero ese es el mínimo
Getting
común
along with other
denominador.
groups, acknowledging the spirituality in different
Las personas
sects and
reconociendo
so
la
forth.
espiritualidad
And a
en
reaction
distintas
to
sectas.
being in a sectarian
Pero
institution,
estar
maybe
en
that
una
you want to go in
institución
that direction
sectaria
because of the ugliness
te
of
puede llevar
sectarianism.
a
And that's valid, but it can
la
go too
dirección
far, where the
incorrecta.
common denominator
Pero el denominador
starts to be
común
thought of as the highest ideal. It's
es el
not.
ideal más
The
elevado.
common denominator is not the highest ideal. Those points in which I connect with the Catholic
Los
saints
puntos
or
que
with
yo puedo
a
conectar con los
Buddhist or
católicos
with a Gyani or a
o con
Sufi
el Gyani
or
o con el
something like that.
Sufi, con
These
cosas así.
are basic
Esas son,
spiritual ego-effacing points, for
son
example.
puntos
Reincarnation,
básicos que
ahimsa,
desvanecen el ego.
these types of principles.
Ese tipo de
But
principios.
this is the lowest common denominator.
Ese es el denominador más bajo.
I'm saying that in a positive way.
En una forma
That kind of
positiva.
non-sectarianism should be there.
De que el
But
no sectarismo
we should
debe
not
estar ahí.
misconstrue and think that's the
Pero no
highest,
debemos
and then relativize
relativizar
the depth
la
of
profundidad
penetration into transcendence and insights that Gaudiya
de-
Vaishnavism is offering
que ofrece el Gaudiya Vaishnavismo,
that are otherwise
que de
unparalleled
otra forma no tienen ningún
in the world.
paralelo,
I've
no
said
son
before,
comparables con
if
nada
you
en el
take
mundo.
Christianity or you
Si es que
take
tomas el
Islam,
cristianismo, el Islam,
for example,
por
and you
ejemplo, y
make them, you distill them to a
los
very
destilas
their most spiritually essential
a su esencia
perspectives,
espiritual,
it
a
starts
sus
looking like
perspectivas
Hinduism.
espirituales más esenciales,
Buddhism
empieza
will
a
start
verse
to look
como
like
el
Hinduism. That's all.
hinduismo.
Buddha was a Hindu. And then within
Buda
Hinduism,
era un hindú,
I mean,
entonces
this is why I'm a Gaudiya Vaishnavism. Its contribution
esa es la
is
contribución del Gaudiya
unique.
Vaishnavismo.
Its
Eso es lo que debe
penetration into
hacerse.
transcendence
Esta penetración en
is
la trascendencia
the apex. Krishna's tu
es
Bhagavan
el
Swayam.
apex.
So these points in the philosophy
Estos puntos en la
that
filosofía
supports that and so
que
forth,
apoyan
that
esto,
differentiates us
que lo
from other
diferencian
religious people,
de otra
spiritual people
gente
that we
espiritual o
have
religiosa, es que
much in
tenemos
common with,
mucho en común con ellos,
are more important than the common ground that we have. The common ground is there.
y la base común está ahí, las diferencias
A
son
good
mucho más
person.
importantes.
You honor people for who they
Eres una
are.
buena persona, honras a la
You try to
gente,
find common ground with people as much as you can.
intentas
And to
encontrar
the
una
extent
base
that you
común
can't,
con la gente lo más que
you're not close to
puedas.
them or you distance yourself from them. What I'm saying here is you have to be careful that the Krishna consciousness in our perspective doesn't mean just having a group, just getting along with
Y
people.
Krishna no se trata simplemente de encontrar un grupo.
That's hardly the sum and substance of it. It's the
Eso es
differences
difícilmente la sustancia.
that are important. Like
Son las
Krishna's tu
diferencias
Bhagavan
lo que son
Swayam.
importantes.
Maybe we should do away with this point because it causes differences with other people. Some
Tal
people
vez
don't say
debemos
that.
eliminar
No,
este punto porque hace diferencia con
that should
otra
not be
gente.
done.
No, eso no debe
That would be a
hacerse.
great loss.
Eso sería una gran
So you have to
pérdida.
differentiate between, the basic common
Diferenciarnos de una base común,
denominator of what
de un
constitutes
común denominador
spirituality
que es
and distinguishes
constante
it
para
from
la
religion,
espiritualidad
let's say, a social religious orientation, distinguished from an essential
y nos
spiritual
distingue
mystical orientation.
de otra orientación.
And if we're only in a religious orientation to
Si
Gaudiya
simplemente estamos
Vaishnavism,
en
which is the
una...
case for most devotees,
Ay, perdón.
then how we connect with,
¿Cómo nos
or
conectamos más
how
con...
we can find common
cómo
ground with
podemos
other people
encontrar
in a
puntos
social
comunes
religious
con otras
orientation to
personas
Catholicism
que
or
tienen distintas orientaciones, como el
Judaism, whatever may
catolicismo,
be the case.
budismo, cualquiera sea el caso.
It should not be at the loss of
No debe ser
our
una
own
pérdida de nuestro propio...
the truths, if you will, of
de
our
la
own social
verdad
religious orientation,
de nuestra
and
orientación
where they
socio-religiosa,
ultimately
donde
they're meant to take us to
finalmente
the heart of the
nos
tradition, which
va
then takes us to mysticism and a spiritual, experiential orientation rather than a
a
social
ver el
religious, and
misticismo en esta
one
práctica
that
espiritual y esta
culminates
orientación más allá de lo social.
in praying.
Y eso lo encontramos en el Prem,
Yeah, praying prayojan.
Prem
And that's
Prayojan.
not going to happen.
Eso no va a pasar.
If you're a Gaudiya Vaishnava,
Si eres un
therefore
Gaudiya
you're
Vaishnava,
called to Gaudiya Vaishnavism. If this is your swabhav
ese
as
es
a
tu
jiva,
swabhav como
then
jiva,
in contact, in coming in contact with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's
y estar
disposition,
en
you're going to
contacto
find it
con la
attractive.
disposición de Chaitanya
If
Mahaprabhu,
that is then misrepresented
si eso no se representa
in a
bien,
way that
de
becomes
una forma que se
unsettling to
vuelve
you intellectually and socially and so forth, because it's, let's say, it's sectarian, which is what we're talking about, in a pejorative
se
sense,
vuelve sectario en un
and then you
sentido
want to move
peyorativo
away from that,
y no
and
puedes moverte de ahí,
and in a bigoted sense, it gravitate towards appreciating people for who they are,
y en un sentido te lleva a
and
apreciar a la
religious traditions and so on and so
gente
forth.
por quienes son y todo eso.
Anyway, yeah, I'm repeating
Bueno,
myself, but
me estoy desviando un poco del tema, pero
that's understandable.
eso es entendible,
It's common sense. We should do
es
that.
sentido común, debemos hacerlo.
We should be kind to all people.
Debemos
We should
ser amables
appreciate
con todo el mundo,
anyone who
apreciarles
has any inkling, towards spirituality, for
ante
what it
cualquier forma de
is. But
espiritualidad por lo
at the
que
same
es.
time,
Pero al mismo tiempo,
that's the lowest common denominator.
ese es el denominador común más
This is
bajo.
Gaudiya Vaishnavism as a
El
tradition,
Gaudiya Vaishnavismo
as it's
como
given by Chaitanya
tradición
Mahaprabhu, is
fue
about
dada por
you
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
attaining prema. That's what it's
y se
about.
trata de que tú
That's where
alcances
you're
el
going to find the
prema.
group in
Ahí es
Braj.
donde vas a
You're
encontrar
not
un
going to
grupo en
find it
Braj.
here. You can find a group. It's going
Puedes
to have
encontrar un grupo
problems.
acá,
Any
pero va a tener
institution that's
problemas.
formed
Ya
around
sean
Gaudiya Vaishnavism,
instituciones,
it's going to have all kinds of problems.
va a haber todo tipo de
It
problemas.
doesn't matter if it's ISKCON or it's Gaudiya
No
Math or
importa
it's
si
this
es
Vaishnava group or
ISKCON, la
that.
Gaudiya Math, lo que sea.
That's just the nature of the beast,
Esa es
of
la
human
naturaleza
life.
de esta vida
So
humana.
don't misconstrue what Gaudiya Vaishnavism is about
Entonces,
by
no
thinking it's about a
malentiendas de qué se
group.
trata el Gaudiya Vaishnavismo. No se
It's
trata de tener
about
un grupo.
you
Se trata de
going
ti,
there.
yendo allá.
When I joined Prabhupada, I said to myself, and I don't know why, but this came in my mind, I'm never leaving this, even if everybody
Cuando yo
else
conocí a
leaves.
Srila Prabhupada, yo dije, yo nunca voy a dejar esto,
If
incluso
you
si es que todos los
understand what
demás lo
Gaudiya
hacen.
Vaishnavism is, that's how you'll be thinking.
Si entiendes
And
el
it
Gaudiya
won't be at the
Vaishnavismo, así es como
cost
vas a
of
pensar.
appreciating others if it's properly understood. Don't, as I say, don't take Krishna's tu Bhagavan Swayam out of the picture, because it's starting to get
saques
sectarian here. And I want to get along with
del
everybody.
panorama Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam.
If I push that my God is best, no, he is best, but
No pienses así como mi Dios es mejor.
then you have to understand what that
puede que sí
means,
lo
how to
sea,
properly
pero
explain that. And when you
¿cómo
do,
explicas
you'll
eso?
find it's not sectarian in a pejorative sense of the
debes
term
encontrar
at
la
all.
forma de explicarlo que no sea sectario de una
Just in a
forma
broad sense,
peyorativa.
if you want to look at Buddha, looks like is the wisdom of God. Jesus is the sacrifice.
Buda es la sabiduría de
Krishna's
Dios, Jesús es el sacrificio.
Okay, well, the head, and it depends on the heart, so it has to keep beating.
Depende del
Anyway,
corazón.
many ways to talk about it. I've talked about it very
Hay muchas
nicely,
formas de hablarlo,
beautifully, if I
Toy.
may say so, in my book Aesthetic Vedanta, in the first
En mi libro
chapter.
Aesthetic
All of
Vedanta,
you
en el
should
primer
go and
capítulo hablo de
reread the
esto.
first chapter of Aesthetic Vedanta.
Debes leer el
This is
primer
a
capítulo de
very,
Aesthetic
very
Vedanta. Eso es algo muy,
important
muy, muy importante.
chapter.
Un
Take a
capítulo
time,
muy
set aside,
importante.
get the book if you don't have it. Read it.
Compra el libro si
First
no lo
chapter
tienes, léetelo,
of
el
Aesthetic
primer
Vedanta, and you'll
capítulo de
appreciate
Aesthetic Vedanta.
what I'm saying. So I'm
Y
sorry for
vas a
going
apreciar lo
off
que te
on this,
digo.
but it's something that I'm concerned with, and it relates to what I see in a Gaudiya
Es algo que yo veo en
community.
en la
kind
comunidad gaudilla.
of a rejection
Un
of a
tipo de
sectarian
rechazo
stance that's pejorative and
a esta parte del sectarismo que es peyorativa
socially kind of
y
doesn't take into
socialmente
consideration facts that have come to the surface
toma en consideración los
in
hechos que
time.
salen a la superficie
That's the
cada
nature of
cierto
the world.
tiempo. Esa es la
Nobody can know
naturaleza
everything
del
about the
mundo.
world because it's always changing.
No podemos saber nada
It's
del
always
mundo porque está
developing.
siempre
It's always
cambiando,
showing
siempre se está
itself,
desarrollando,
even
se
if
está
it's
mostrando a sí
mundane.
mismo,
It's
incluso
always
si es
showing
mundano,
itself in
va a
newer
estar mostrándose a
ways.
sí
Who
mismo de
knows
distintas
what goes
formas.
on,
¿Quién
in
sabe
space,
lo que va a pasar,
different
lo que pasa en el
universes,
espacio, en el resto del
galaxies.
universo, en las galaxias?
So there's always more to learn
Entonces,
about the
siempre
world.
hay cosas que aprender del
And
mundo.
people
Y la
change
gente
too.
cambia también.
People,
La
their
gente
makeup, their
y
physiological
su
makeup even
constitución
changes over time, based
mental
on what they
cambia en el
eat,
tiempo.
based on,
Se basa en,
if they're looking like this all the time,
están viendo así todo el
at their
tiempo el
phone, or
celular,
whatever may be the case.
cualquiera sea el caso.
And so,
Y entonces,
over time,
a través del tiempo,
how we look at people and what we expect of
como
them,
vemos a
what's
la gente y lo que
normal, so
esperamos de ellos, lo que es normal,
it's going to change.
va a cambiar.
So, to keep up with that
Entonces,
within
para
reason
poder estar,
is important. And when devotees don't do that,
hay que
and
estar
they
al tanto de la
just,
contingencia y cuando los
spew
devotos no
some
hacen eso,
dogma
es
out
solo
of
un
the past
dogma
that may have been appropriate at the time,
que se han
it's not
apropiado en
very
cierto tiempo
attractive
y que no es
to members
atractivo
of
para los miembros de
the community.
la
And
comunidad.
when they're very sectarian, also, some people get off on that, but that's all Kanishtarikari
Y
orientation.
cuando son
That
sectarios
sectarianism
tampoco, solamente algunas
and
personas
fear orientation.
pueden
So,
sentirse atraídas a eso,
so
incluso, pero
anyway,
eso
they'll gravitate
es
towards
solo
being more
canista.
pluralistic, but much can be lost in that, is
Se
my
puede
point
perder
too.
mucho en eso.
Therefore, you need a guru, you need a guide.
Necesitas un guru, un guía.
I'm not saying it's wrong, but you need a
No
guide.
digo que esté
Again,
mal,
that doesn't become
pero
the state of the art, what Krishna consciousness is.
no es lo que es
So
conciencia de
much is lost
Krishna.
in that
Mucho se pierde
perspective.
ahí,
So
en
again, I'm
esa
sorry for
perspectiva.
going on at some length about that, but
Creo que me
hopefully you
extendí
found
un
it helpful.
poco,
What
lo
else is there?
siento, pero
Wonderful. Thanks, Guru Maharaj.
muchas
So the
gracias,
next
Guru
question is
Maharaj. La
from
siguiente
the Sangha in
pregunta
Finland.
es de la Sangha en Finlandia.
Yes, please speak up.
Sí, por favor,
Hare
hablen.
Bol, Hare Krishna, pranams Guru
Hare
Right.
Maharaj.
Krishna, pranams, Guru
Yeah,
Maharaj.
good to see you.
Un gusto
Yeah, good to see you
verlos.
as well.
All
We're
of them.
gathered
There's
here.
Mohan, there's
Veo a Mohan,
Gurnistas. I thought
Gurunishta.
oh, you're visiting over there.
Ah, estás
Shangi.
visitándolos.
And who else in the back?
¿Quién más está al fondo?
Janani was
Premila? Janani was okay. I don't
Janani.
know if we ever met, but I know you've been
Creo que no nos hemos
seeing
conocido,
your
pero
articles and
sí
things.
he
Nice
visto
to
tus
see you. Yes, the
artículos y
question.
cosas así.
we sang the song, the Sri Vraj Mahim Amrita. Vraj Dham Mahim Amrita. Do you know
Es
this?
acerca de
The
la
Jaya
canción
Radha
Rajadam
Jaya Krishna
Mahimamrita,
Agnidev sings it often.
Jayarada Jaya Krishna, que se canta a menudo.
Anyways, in the sixth line of this
En la
song,
sexta línea de
the
esta
Jai Radha Jai
canción,
Krishna Jai Vrindavan. Yeah.
yeah,
Jayarada
this
Jaya
one,
Krishna
there's
Jaya Vrindavan, sí.
mentioning about
Se
Lord Shiva,
menciona
and
al
he has
señor
this
Shiva
name,
y tiene
Gopishwar.
este nombre, Gopeshwar.
Yes.
So I'm often thinking, I'm
Entonces yo
confused
estaba
about the
pensando, estoy
name
confundida por
Gopishwar.
el
Isn't
nombre
that name for
Gopeshwar.
Krishna?
No sé si es un nombre de Krishna.
Gopishwar
Gopishwar
means the Ishwar of the gopis.
significa Ishvara de las gopis.
In this case, it means
En este
here's
caso
an Ishwar who's
significa
become a gopi, in a sense.
que para ser
So there's
Ishvara
a
tienes que
mention
volverte
in the
una gopi.
Puranas
Entonces se menciona eso en los
that
Puranas
Shiva
de Shiva,
became attracted to
que él se volvió atraído
the Leela,
por el
the Gopi
lila,
Leela of Krishna.
el gopi lila de Krishna.
And so he
Entonces
appeared in a gopi form
apareció en una forma de gopi,
in Braj.
en Braya.
But the gopis said, "Oh,
Pero
this
las
is a
gopis
gopi. Who's your
dijeron,
mother? Who's your
oh,
father?"
¿quién
He
es tu
didn't
mamá?
know
¿Quién es tu
how to
papá? Eres una
answer.
gopi. Él no supo cómo contestar,
Because he didn't have any.
porque
So
no
he didn't
tenía
quite
ninguno,
fit in.
entonces
He
no
said,
pudo encajar.
he's kind of a gopi, but kind of not.
Es como una gopi, pero en realidad no.
He's kind of one of us, but if he doesn't have a father and a mother,
No
so
tiene madre ni padre, entonces
how can he
¿cómo,
be, a
cómo
member
puede
of
ser un miembro
the community
de
like
la
this? So
comunidad?
it was rather peculiar.
Era
So
bastante
as the story
peculiar,
goes, I'm just
entonces la
cutting it
historia
kind of
va y
short,
dice,
given the time constraints. But
vamos a hacerla corta
of the
porque
talk,
no
but
hay mucho tiempo para hablar de esto, pero
it said they placed him at the gate
dice que lo ubicaron en la
the
entrada
Rasa Stali, where the Rasa Leela was
del Rasa
performed.
Stali, donde se performa el
Didn't quite go
rasa.
inside.
no pudo entrar
participate in the Rasa
y
Leela, but he stayed at
participar
the
en el
gate.
rasa, pero se quedó en la
And
puerta,
he's like a guard
como un
of the
guardia
gate,
de la
and he's
puerta,
not letting just anybody
y no
in.
está dejando entrar a cualquier
He's
persona.
waiting to see for their qualification.
Y
So
entonces tiene que ver
this
cuál es su
Gopishwar,
cualificación. Entonces, este Gopishvar,
Gopishwar Mahadev. So
Gopeshwar
maybe
Mahadev,
Gopishwar, that's another thing, but Gopishwar Mahadev
Gopishvar
is
por
this
sí
form
solo
of
es otra cosa, pero
Shiva, who's
Gopishvar
an Ishvara,
Mahadev es
control,
Shiva
appearing
como
as a
Ishvara, el
gopi.
controlador de
And
las gopis.
there is a lingam,
Entonces hay un
Shiva
lingam, un Shiva lingam,
identified with this
que se
Mahadev
identifica
Gopishwar
con
in
este
Vrindavan.
Mahadev.
It's worshipped and they dress, they decorate
Y
the
se adora,
linga with like
se
a gopi.
decora este lingam como
Very
una
famous,
gopi.
famous place. Every pilgrim goes to Gopishwar
En
Mahadev,
cada parikram se va también
worships him.
donde Gopishwar
And
Mahadev.
that lingam and that
Y ese
conception
lingam, esa
of Shiva as
concepción de
Gopishwar
Shiva es Gopishwar Mahadev.
was established, I believe,
Se
in every
establece,
Gaudiya Math,
creo,
just outside the
que en el
temple.
Gaudiya Math,
So
afuera de cada
there's
templo,
the gatekeeper. He's
como
worshipped
el guardia,
before going in.
antes de entrar.
There's a beautiful mantra for
Hay un bello
worshiping
mantra
him. I gave
también
that
para
mantra to all the
adorarle.
devotees in Poland one year. I was asked
Un año
about
se
that.
los di a todos los devotos en Polonia.
I hope they're repeating it. And so they worship Shiva to go
Entonces, adorando a Shiva
through the gate, so to
para
speak.
poder entrar a
So this is an example.
ahí. Entonces, este
We
es
were
un
talking about Shiva
ejemplo
earlier. This is an example of Vaishnavanamita Shambhu. Krishna, that Vishnu is Shiva, I should say.
de que Shiva
Shambhu is a great Vaishnava, which is a
es
statement of the
Shambho
Bhagavatam.
es un gran Vaishnava.
Certainly, he's not in Tamaguna,
Ciertamente no está en Tamaguna,
but he gives shelter to people in Tamaguna. He's
pero le da refugio
Ashutosh.
a la gente en Tamaguna.
Ashutosh. I have a bit of that. It means easily pleased,
Se complace
very generous,
fácilmente, es muy
to a
generoso,
fault. Generous to a fault. So he's
generoso con
surrounded
nuestras faltas.
by many goblins. I don't mean to say that you're all goblins and so forth, but he's such as his nature as a great Vaishnava. So
Es un gran
the
Vaishnava.
Tamaguna people get shelter from him.
Entonces la
Does that
gente
help?
en Tamaguna se puede
Yeah, that's great.
refugiar. Espero
Thank
que ayude.
Gopishwar
Sí, muchas
Mahadev
gracias.
ki jai.
Gopishwar Mahadev
Okay,
ki
Gaur
jai.
Bhaktivinoda ki jai. Nice to speak with all of you.
Un
Hope
gusto
to
hablar
meet
con
again
todos ustedes.
next week.
Nos vemos
Hare
la
Krishna.
próxima semana.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai.
Guru Maharaj ki jai.
So yeah, as always, send
Como
on your,
siempre,
let us know if you have
envíen sus
questions for next
preguntas
week, and
para la
we'll see you all
próxima
next week.
semana y nos vemos.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.